Good morning, all of you. So today I am going to explain you about this Bluetooth protocol architecture or stack. In this, we have already seen about this that there's a particular core protocols plus radio protocols are required by the most Bluetooth devices that uses a spread spectrum technologies at the physical layer, while using both direct sequence and frequency hopping spread spectrum technologies. So here it uses the both connectionless and connection oriented part. In connectionless it is using ACL, that is a asynchronous connectionless link, and in the connection oriented that is using SCO, that is a synchronous connection oriented link. So here the particular various different layers are there. The one is the cable replacement layer, second is the telephony control layer, and next one is the adopted protocol layer, that is forming the application oriented protocols, we can say. So here the different type of protocols are here that we have already seen: Bluetooth core protocols, cable replacement protocol, telephone control protocol, adopted protocols. So here this is a particular protocol stack in which the different parts here we are able to see. This is the particular Bluetooth protocol architecture, we can say. So here the first thing that we are going to see about this Bluetooth core protocol, that is a baseband. The baseband is here. We can be able to see this green highlighted part. That is what that is enabling the physical RF link, we can say, right? Radio frequency link, physical radio frequency link. So that is the particular baseband part. Next is that is a link. This is LMP, that is a link manager protocol, that is managing the device in range, power modes, connections, duty cycles, etc. So that is particular part that is used for managing the devices in the form of range, power modes, connections, or duty cycles, we can say. Next is this is L2 CAP, that is what logical link, that is L2, control and adaptation protocol, that is CAP. So here that particular part is used for the segmentation and reassembly of the fragmented packets with their multiplexing, we can say. So this particular part is done now. Next here, now in this the particular L2 CAP, that is connected with this SDP. So here SDP means what? That is a service discovery protocol. So that is enabling what? A device, that is enabling a device to join a Piconet, we can say, right? Now here next, that is this RF com, that is a radio frequency communication, we can say. So that is emulating the RS-232 control and data signals over Bluetooth baseband protocol, we can say. Next is this TCS bin, that is what the telephony control specification binary. Bin means binary, and that is defining the call control, signaling protocol, and handling the mobility management for the groups of different Bluetooth TCS devices, we can say. Next is this AT commands, we can say. So AT commands means attention commands, that is defining a set of commands by which the mobile phone can be used and controlled as a modem for fax and data transfers. So here now this TCP/IP or P2P, that is a point-to-point protocol, we are able to see here. That is the meaning of taking that IP packets to and from the PPP layer and placing them onto the LAN. Right now, TCP/IP UDP, that part we are going to see here. That is a transmission control protocol and internet protocol that is used for the communication across the internet, we can say. Now OBEX, here we are able to see below this V card, that is what that is. OBEX means object exchange protocol, that is the session protocol to exchange different objects and used to browse the contents of the folders and remote devices, we can say, right? So you are able to access another device through this object exchange protocol, we can say. vCard or vCal, here the content formats are here. So content formats, that is used to exchange the messages, notes, and synchronize data amongst the various devices. That is the adopted protocol, right? ये सारे एडेप्टेड प्रोटोकॉल है। उससे पहले जो ये पर्टिकुलर पार्ट था टेलीफोन कंट्रोल कौन कौन से थे, केबल रिप्लेसमेंट भी थे। तो ये जो नीचे वाले जो पार्ट थे वो सब क्या थे, सो बेस बैंड, दिस लिंक मैनेजर प्रोटोकॉल, हियर वी आर this L3, then after service discovery protocol, right? After this, so these all up to service discovery protocol, these all are the Bluetooth protocols. Now next is the cable replacement protocol. Cable replacement protocol is here now. So part here it is starting this cable replacement protocol. After this is a telephony control protocol now. Telephony control में कौन कौन सा आ रहा है, TCS bin है. Next is the attention commands is also telephony control protocol. Next is this, now these are the adopted protocols, that is a point to point protocol. Then TCP that is also adopted part. Then object exchange, that is also adopted. Then telephone exchange, telephone control, sorry, transmission control protocol, and IP, that is also adopted protocol. After the object exchange, that is also the adopted protocol. Then vCard, that is, we can say, content format is in this vCard or we can say, so that is also adopted protocol. OBEX we already seen, content formats we have seen. After that, next content formats. So these are adopted protocols now, right? So we have already know. So now the Bluetooth security about we have to see. So what type of security it is offering, the security we can say.